Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and connection, replace batteries or reset the USB plug, and repair Bluetooth if used. Next, test the page down key in another application and with an on-screen keyboard to see whether the issue is hardware or software. Once done, boot into safe mode or log into a clean user account to eliminate startup apps. This narrows the cause quickly and tells you whether to continue with drivers or physical repair. Now focus on software. Open Device Manager, update or uninstall and reinstall the keyboard driver, then restart. Check system keyboard layout, sticky keys, and any hotkey or macro software. These can intercept page down. While you do that, run an online keyboard tester and try a different USB port or cable. If wireless, try a different dongle. Once you identify whether keystrokes register, you know whether to continue with firmware, remapping, or physical repair. This step separates complex causes from simple fixes. To finish, remap page down temporarily to a working key using system settings or a trusted remapping tool so you can continue working. If hardware is suspected, remove the keycap, clean debris, and test the switch. Replace the switch or keyboard if needed. Mechanical switches are replaceable, membrane ones usually require replacement. If problems persist, backup data and consider a factory reset or full keyboard replacement. If nothing helps, a final tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.